Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell P91F001. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dell P91F001 battery won't charge, you're not alone. This issue can arise due to various factors, including a faulty battery or connections that have become loose over time. If left unresolved, it can lead to further complications, such as a complete power failure of your device. To get started with the repair, you will need a few essential tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and of course, a replacement battery for your Dell P91F001. Before you begin, ensure that your device is powered off and unplugged from any power source. Now, carefully use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover of the Dell P91F001. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the casing. Once you've removed the back cover, you will see the battery. It's typically located near the bottom of the device, secured with screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws that hold the battery in place. Be cautious with the screws, they can be small and easy to lose. As you extract the battery, gently disconnect the cable that connects it to the motherboard. This cable is delicate, so take care not to pull too hard. Now that you've removed the faulty battery, it's time to install the new one. Position the new battery in the same orientation as the old one, reconnect the cable to the motherboard, and secure it with the screws you previously removed. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After securing the battery, carefully replace the back cover of your Dell P91F001, ensuring it clicks into place. Once closed, plug in your device and power it on. Check to see if the battery is charging correctly. To prevent this issue from recurring, avoid overcharging your device and ensure that you use the appropriate charger. Additionally, keep the battery contacts clean and regularly check for any signs of damage. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.